Body, so why is my desk so close? What's up, everybody? So today we're back with a Prime taste test. So I did an IShowSpeed Prime taste test. If my lips are blue, don't worry about it. Yeah, you can see more clearly on camera. Like don't worry about it. Drink something blue. So the first one we have here is the Collector Series Prime. I did the IShowSpeed Prime, but it didn't go so well, so I deleted the video. Fresh seal. We got it. So take it. It smells like a candy. Ew, I don't know what it. It's starting to smell like medicine. Hopefully it's good. I bring one. I give it 6.1 out of 10. Yeah, 6.1. Let's move that to the side. See if anything can beat that. Next one we have here is Red Chill, the Red Chill Prime. So let's get into it. Fresh seal, that's good. Smells good. It smells like the Cherry Freeze Prime a little bit. Let's get it. Oh, it tastes a little sour. I got Prime all over my face. Tastes a little sour. Like not like sour, like sour Skittles or something. Like a little like, it's hard to explain. A little like Swedish sour. Like Swedish fish plus like some sour. Okay. I got my rating. 6. Wait, no. Let's give it a 7.5. Let's see if our last Prime can meet that. Blue Chill Prime. I was gonna get, Berry Freeze because I already tried it. I was like, well, I just got a little Berry Freeze here, but found those and I was like, ooh, nice seal. It smells the worst. Ugh. It smells like it smells like I got Prime on my nose. I got Prime in my nose. I got Prime in my nose. Okay. It smells like a Metamoon Prime. Go. Oh, I like that aftertaste. Be honest with you, blue's my favorite color. And I'm not just gonna give this an 8.5 because it's my favorite Prime flavor. Not my favorite Prime flavor. Not because it's my favorite color. Just because it's the best tasting one. And now I gotta drink all 3 of these. Peace. Hope y'all have a great day. If you want to go and get these, check them out. I would recommend Walmart because Walmart, they have them on the walls. and they mart with the wolves. Okay.